Bright Suns ETT Squad. We're here at Disney Hollywood Studios Park here in Orlando, Florida, and we're going to be riding the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I am so excited. It's brand new. It opened on March 4th. This is going to be our third time. This video is going to be extra special for ETT Squad. Look what I have with me. Can you guess what we're going to be doing today?
It looks like the Easter Bunny.
Yeah, he looks like the Easter Bunny. And well, here he looks like Baby Yoda. And then you flip the ears, he's an Easter Bunny. But any clues what we're going to be doing? We're going to be trying to find all the Easter eggs on this ride. There's so many. I mean, imagine we're going to go for the third time, and we already saw some the first time and the second time, and we've been putting the video together. We've been editing the video and trying to find all the Easter eggs for you guys, but I want you to interact. You guys are going to help us find Easter eggs too. We're going to put it in the description. It could be 20 Easter eggs. I don't know how many we're finding, but we're going to find some, and ETT Squad's going to find some, and you guys are going to timestamp it and mark it in the comments to let us know if you see anything that we don't see. Right, Mickey?
Plus the hidden Mickeys.
Oh yeah, and plus the hidden Mickeys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and give us a lot of likes. That way the video goes viral. Maybe it'll go viral. You never know. Love ETT Squad. See you guys in the ride. Bye.
Gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride.
Hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
Oh boy. Alright, ETT Squad, you guys know what to do. You have to find the Easter eggs. We're going to help you, but you're going to find some extra ones. Let's do it.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mick and Minnie.
Sure taking good care of our friend.
Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch. This is all my fault. Oh no! You're jumping the track. Minnie, let's get that rolling. Oh, better run it. Match. Don't let him get away. Uh-oh.
Huh?
Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Kanda! Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Don't go in there, Kanda! It's too dangerous. There's a switch.
That concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me.
Nothing can stop us now.
Remember to gather up all your back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings.
ATT Squad, did you guys find the Easter eggs? Look, he glows in the dark. Oh, that ride is so much fun. Hope you guys do all the time stamping and find them all. Find all the hidden Minnies. Boy, ETT Squad. I think we found probably like 20 Easter eggs, but it goes so fast. You get so overwhelmed. There's so much to see. So I want to see what you guys saw. I want to see how many Easter eggs and how many hidden Mickeys you guys saw. So comment below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Love my ETT Squad. Bye. Bye. We're going to be riding the Mickey and Minnie Railroad Runaway. It's a little tongue twister here, but I have a friend that's going to help us. What
Say that
happened?
again. Railway, runaway, what?
Right, it's Mickey and Minnie's Railway Runaway. And I'm ready because I
That's not
have
what the sign says.
Runaway Railway. Whatever. Runaway Railway. Mickey and Minnie. Let's just call it Mickey and Minnie's ride.
You must unlearn what you have learned.
And welcome to the Great Movie Ride. Once again, my name is Richie, and on behalf of Disney's Hollywood Studios and Turner Classic Movies,